What's going on, guys? Nick from Two Guys One Car here today, showing you how to replace a cabin air filter on an 08 Honda Civic or any 8th gen Honda Civic from 06 to 2011. So this is probably the most simple cabin air filter replacement on any car I've ever seen. So it's going to be a very simple video. You need zero tools, zero effort. It's just very straightforward. So I'll show you how to do it. I got my cabin air filter here, part number C35519. Get it from any AutoZone or Advance, Napa, whatever. It's a Purolator. So show you how to get started here. Like many other cars, the cabin air filter is directly behind the glove box, so you're gonna have to remove the glove box. This is what makes this car so simple. To remove this glove box, all you do is open it like so, and you're going to pinch both sides of the glove box, right here and right here, at the same time, and literally pull towards you. And I'm going to try and show you this. You literally just pinch and it pulls right down. Now you don't have to remove it. So you pinch, now it's back in, pinch, comes fully down. So it's going to be down like this, and your filter is right there. I'm losing everything in my glove box here. I don't want to take your stuff out, but I'll just keep on going. So to get this filter out now, you literally just push this tab here, push the other tab on the other side, and it pulls directly out. So mine pretty dirty, not the worst I've seen. So pull that out of its tray, like so. Oh, maybe not. All right. Ugh, all dusty in here now. I'm gonna unbox my filter, one sec. So here's my new air filter. Gonna pop it right in its tray. Make sure the arrows are down. Pop it right in its tray like so. All right. You're gonna pop it right back in. Slide it right in. And the clips automatically, you might have heard it, go right back in. And to finish the job, you simply pull your glove box back up. And that's it. You are done. All set. So yeah, that's the process of replacing cabin air filter on an 08 Honda Civic or any 8th gen Honda Civic from 06 to 2011. And if you guys learned anything from this video, if it helped you at all, please feel free to like, leave a comment, or subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. Until the next time, guys, thank you.